In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve any issues preventing access to the Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're new to Facebook Marketplace or have encountered a recent problem, this guide will walk you step by step through the process to ensure your access is restored smoothly. First, let's talk about the basic requirements you need to meet. An important prerequisite is that your age must be 18 or older. Facebook has established this age limit to ensure users can responsibly participate in buying and selling activities. So, if you haven't already, make sure your Facebook profile information reflects your age accurately and confirm that you're 18 or above. Additionally, your Facebook account must be both active and verified. This means that all required information should be filled out, and your account should be in good standing without any suspicious activity. Moreover, you must be located in a country where Facebook Marketplace is supported. If you're unsure if your country qualifies, it may be worth checking Facebook's list of supported regions. Next, it's time to directly access the Facebook Marketplace through a web browser. Open your browser of choice and type facebook.com/marketplace into the address bar. By doing this, you can determine whether the issue is with your device application or your account. If the marketplace page opens successfully on the web version and you're able to navigate it, this indicates that any problem lies within your Facebook app and not with your account settings. Let's address how you can update or reinstall your Facebook app to resolve this issue. Head to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or to the App Store for iOS users. Search for the Facebook app and check whether an update is available. If it is, download and install it. If updating doesn't solve the problem and the Facebook Marketplace is still missing from your app, try uninstalling the app entirely from your device, then reinstall it. This action can rectify glitches or corrupted data that might be interfering with the app's functionality. Lastly, it's crucial to check the quality of your Facebook account to ensure there are no restrictions that might be affecting your marketplace access. Log into your Facebook account and type facebook.com account quality into the address bar. Here you'll find any restrictions placed on your account. If you notice that your marketplace access is limited, look for the option that says Request Review. By clicking this, you can submit a request for Facebook to review your case and potentially lift any restrictions. By following these steps carefully, you can troubleshoot common